Here's one of the strongest DMV hearing defense arguments available today, and why most attorneys miss it. California's Title 17 regulations require the officer to continuously watch you for 15 minutes before a breath test. The reason is scientific. Eating, drinking, smoking, or even burping during that window can cause a falsely elevated reading. This isn't paperwork, it's built into the science. The DMV routinely argues that once a breath test result is admitted into evidence, the discussion is over. California appellate courts have recently pushed back hard on that. Admissibility and reliability are two different legal questions. A result can be technically admissible and still be scientifically unreliable, and an unreliable result cannot support your suspension. Now, here's what has changed the landscape entirely. Body cameras and dash cams are now standard on virtually every officer and patrol car in California. The 15-minute observation period that used to exist only in an officer's handwritten notes is now frequently on video, every minute of it. If an attorney handling your DMV case is not subpoenaing and reviewing that footage, they are not meeting the current standard of care. That video may show the officer walking away on his radio or on his phone. It can also reveal problems with the traffic stop, how field sobriety tests were actually performed, and whether the arrest itself was lawful. One subpoena, multiple lines of defense. California courts are reinforcing that Title 17 compliance is a substantive requirement, not a technicality. The DMV cannot paper over non-compliance by simply submitting a number into evidence. The courts are paying attention. The question is whether your attorney is. I'm John Campanella. I've handled over 1,000 DMV hearings since 1994. I own the operator manuals for most breath testing devices used in California, and I'm nationally certified as a field sobriety test administrator. Subpoenaing body cam footage is one of the first things I do in every case. You have 10 days from your arrest to request a DMV hearing. That deadline is hard. Call me at 916-498-8460 before it passes.